Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on a distant shore. You slide open the window, and the first light of sunrise pours across handcrafted leather interiors. Your morning coffee brews quietly beside a panoramic view that stretches beyond the horizon. This isn't just a dream. This is the 2026 Thor motor coach Omni Trail X32, a luxury motorhome crafted for travelers who believe the journey should be just as beautiful as the destination. Today, we're stepping inside this next-level luxury RV, exploring its bold design, its comfort, its cutting-edge technology, and everything that makes it one of the most desirable motorhomes of 2026. So sit back, relax, and let's take a ride inside the Omni Trail X32. At first glance, the Thor Omni Trail X32 immediately commands attention. Its exterior design is both powerful and graceful, blending rugged adventure with a sense of refined elegance. The aerodynamic front cap, sculpted with precision, gives the X32 a distinctive on-road presence. Up front, the integrated LED daytime running lights don't just look modern. They provide clear visibility through misty mornings and nighttime drives alike. The bold chrome-accented grille, newly designed for 2026, gives this motorhome a confident, executive look that mirrors the styling of high-end luxury SUVs. Down the sides, the full-body paint graphics are not just decoration. They're triple-layer protected with UV coating, ensuring the colors remain vivid and fade-free for years of travel. The X32 features a dual slide-out system that instantly transforms the space inside. With the touch of a button, your living area expands to create a wide, open interior, perfect for relaxation or hosting friends on the road. Below, the 22.5-inch aluminum wheels and heavy-duty all-terrain tires promise both comfort and capability. Paired with a precision-engineered suspension, they deliver a smooth, quiet ride even on long stretches of uneven terrain. And for setup, couldn't be easier. With the automatic leveling jacks, you can stabilize the coach in seconds, making arrival as effortless as the journey itself. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is how beautifully the space opens up. The Omni Trail X32 feels more like a luxury apartment than an RV. The interiors feature a soft, modern minimalist design, light tones, layered textures, and materials that reflect craftsmanship and comfort. Real hardwood cabinetry, soft ambient lighting, and ultra-leather seating create an environment that feels calm, warm, and inviting. The living area includes dual recliners and a convertible dream dinette, both designed for long hours of comfort whether you're driving, relaxing, or watching a movie. The acoustic-treated ceiling panels reduce outside noise, allowing every moment to feel peaceful even when you're on the move. At the center of the living area sits a 50-inch smart TV that neatly retracts into the cabinetry when not in use. The surround sound system delivers crystal-clear audio for movies or music, turning evenings on the road into cinematic experiences. Move toward the kitchen and you'll find a space that's as elegant as it is functional. The galley is fully equipped with solid surface countertops, a 2-burner induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a full residential-style refrigerator with a built-in ice maker. The soft-closed drawers glide silently, while the stainless steel fixtures and subtle under-cabinet lighting give the entire kitchen a premium feel. Even the small details have been considered, like a hidden pantry cleverly built behind a sliding panel, making sure you have storage for long journeys without cluttering your living area. At the rear of the coach is where luxury meets tranquility, the master suite. The king-size bed features a premium memory foam mattress designed for restful sleep after long days on the road. It's framed by LED reading lights, panoramic side windows, and elegant overhead cabinets that blend style with storage. Opposite the bed, a second smart TV sits above a set of wardrobe closets finished in brushed oak. It's a cozy, private retreat where you can unwind with your favorite shows or simply enjoy the view from your window. Step into the bathroom and you'll see how Thor has managed to bring residential luxury into a compact space. There's a full-size shower with a glass door, a rainfall shower head, and a vanity that looks like it was lifted straight from a boutique hotel. The marble-style counter, chrome fixtures, and backlit mirror all contribute to a serene, spa-like feel. Now, what powers this mobile masterpiece? Underneath the body lies the trusted Ford F-550 Super Duty chassis, known for its balance of strength and smooth handling. It's equipped with a 6.7-liter power stroke V8 turbo diesel engine producing 330 horsepower and an impressive 850 pound-feet of torque. That means serious pulling power and the confidence to climb mountain passes or tow additional vehicles with ease. Behind the wheel, the experience feels modern and effortless. Heated captain chairs cradle you comfortably during long drives. The digital 10-inch display provides all vital driving information at a glance. Safety features include lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras, giving you full visibility and confidence whether you're navigating city streets or backing into a forest campsite. Inside, the Omni Trail X32 is wired for the modern traveler. Dual 15,000 BTU air conditioners keep the interior cool and quiet. Solar prep and lithium battery options mean off-grid travel is not just possible, but convenient. And with built-in Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, you can stay connected, stream your favorite shows, or even work remotely from anywhere your journey takes you. Now let's talk about where the Omni Trail X32 stands in its class. Compared to competitors like the Jayco Seneca Prestige or the Integra Accolade XL, the Thor Omni Trail X32 manages a unique balance between power, practicality, and premium comfort. It's not oversized or intimidating, yet it delivers a spacious, well-thought-out living experience. It offers the luxury and finish of a high-end coach but keeps drivability and fuel efficiency as key priorities. Thor has struck the perfect balance, adventure capability without sacrificing refinement. If you had the keys to this 2026 Omni Trail X32, where would you go first? Would it be the mountains, the coast, or a cross-country road trip through national parks? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what destination you'd explore with this incredible motorhome. As the sun sets and the road stretches out before you, one thing becomes clear. The Thor Motor Coach Omni Trail X32 isn't just transportation. It's transformation. It's your private retreat, your mobile office, your family home, and your ticket to freedom, all in one beautifully engineered package. Every inch, every feature, every sound inside this coach whispers luxury. But more importantly, it invites you to live, to explore, to experience. Because in the end, home isn't a place, it's wherever you park it. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and cinematic RV tours just like this one. Until next time, keep traveling, keep dreaming, and stay inspired. This is the 2026 Thor Motor Coach Omni Trail X32, redefining what it means to live on the road.